guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video, and today I'm super excited because I haven't done a textured / porous skin video in months, and I honestly had a playlist for you guys. I think I have like maybe 4 to 5 videos on there, so I'm going to link all of my other textured / porous skin videos down below in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check them out. But my skin is doing pretty good. I do have a pimple right here, and I didn't want to have this for this specific video because it is Charlotte Tilbury, and the reason how I found them out, I started seeing them in a lot of the Vogue makeup videos where all these models would like wear this makeup and they would have really nice skin, and they would just use this luxury brand. So yeah, they did send me a package. This is like the top portion of the box, but I'm using the other portion of the box for it to hold the makeup. But they have their new Icon collection, I think that's what it's called, and they have some new lipsticks as well as a new palette. I'm going to show you guys kind of what it's looking like. This is their new eyeshadow palette, and it's got a lot of metallic shades here. I'm not really sure if y'all can see it, but I'm going to do a close-up so y'all can see what they look like. And I do like this a lot because they have all of the shade names on the back of the palette. There are some palettes that I've seen that don't have any of the names listed, and the shadows are really buttery and soft. I don't know what colors I'm going to use just yet, but we'll see. Lip glosses from their Latex Love collection. I've got a total of 6 of them here. Try this out. I have a lot of Charlotte Tilbury products in this box here. I'm gonna put the price of everything on the screen right now because I haven't calculated everything yet, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a good amount because everything is pretty expensive in this line. I'm gonna be using the Charlotte's Magic Cream, and this is running for $100. And this is the smaller size. So the bigger one is I think like maybe 300, but this stuff is amazing. It makes your skin feel very nice, or if your skin is really going through it, it's really good to put underneath your makeup or just, you know, going to bed with it. Next product that I'm going to be using again is their Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash Primer, but this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna rub this into my skin. And this is supposed to have a blurring effect. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this kind of set into my skin for a couple minutes and then continue with the foundation next. Primer. Now I'm gonna be going in with my foundation. Again, I usually put a powder underneath this, and I might actually just do that with my T-zone for this look. I'm gonna go in with my flower powder. I love this stuff. Now I'm going to be going in with the Youth Boosting Perfect Skin Foundation, and this I think retails for like 40 or 50 bucks. And this is in 10 Dark. It's got like a serum inside of it, so it kind of reminds me of the Bare Skin foundation from Bare Minerals. I'm going to mix the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Chestnut with the Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte. Now I'm going to go back in with the flower powder and put it on my T-zone, and then use the No Filter setting powder from ColourPop. Be using Cosmetics. They have a new brow cream, and this brush, honestly, I talked to you guys about it in my last video. I love how thin this is. I'm going to be using this for my brows right now. So I think I want to go in with like, well, I'm actually going to go with my highlighter first. This does not work for me as a contour shade. It works more as a highlight in my opinion. So I'm going to use this as my highlight. It's more of like a peachy shade. this is how the palette is looking. The colors are just super pigmented and they're very buttery and just metallic looking. So I think I'm gonna start with this shade first. And this shade is in Smoke Fumes. I don't know what color to put in the center of my lid. So I decided to end up going with Disco Eyes in number 2 Enhance, which is this shade right here. So I'm actually going in now with the Day Eyes Prime color in number 1. Also going to be going in with my Full Fat Lashes Charlotte Tilbury mascara, and I like this one a lot because it's like not super, what's the word, clumpy. It doesn't make your lashes look clumpy, which is nice, and this is what the applicator looks like. Okay, next I'm gonna be doing my lips. So again, I want to say, like, in this video, I'm just gonna count all of the lipsticks that they gave me. As far as like the price and stuff. So I'll just like do each one and show y'all like how they look from lightest to dark. This lip gloss is in Belle. Okay, so next color is in Berry Nude. And this next color is going to be in Studio 64. I'm probably gonna end up using my Charlotte Tilbury liner, and this one is in Walk of Shame. Okay, and this one I probably don't really need a liner really, but this is in Video Vixen. And my most favorite shade that I have is going to be Dirty Dancer. Alright you guys, so that is it for my makeup. I hope that you guys liked this video. I'm gonna zoom in on my pores so y'all can see how everything is looking, but I think everything looks pretty decent. My face is pretty matte. It doesn't feel oily or anything. I'm not gonna be doing a wear test because I have other work to do right now, but my skin does look good. I'm actually gonna take some pictures. You can still see my pimple right here, but it's not as big as it was a couple days ago. But I'm gonna do some close-ups and then take a couple pics and then I'm good to go. So yeah, again, I put on the screen what everything retails for all together that I put in this video for you guys, only including the Charlotte Tilbury stuff, of course. Go ahead and check it out. It is in Sephora right now. That's it, and I hope that you guys like this look, and I will talk to you later. I will have more textured skin or full face videos coming up really soon from Makeup Revolution and maybe Kaja Beauty, so stay tuned for those, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!